Welcome back to part 2 of our mini baby unboxing, series 2. We are here in the collapsible doll room we made recently and I'm so excited to have this here for today's unboxing. We still have 5 capsules to open, with some of these being possibly any of the rare twins. In the first part of our video, we checked if the silent capsules contain the super rare twins. You know, if it's quiet when you shake it. This is one of the noisy capsules, so let's check if this is a super rare. Oh.
One eternity later.
Alright, already forgot that this is so hard to open. Alright, apparently this one isn't working, so I'm going to use a cutter to make it easier for us. Here's our first capsule, and here are the things that we have. So it's the usual. This time we are seeing 3 bags. Oh no, okay. I think I can tell what this is. I'm guessing it could be this, oh no. But is it that really? Yeah, it is. So first capsule, we have this little stethoscope. It's purple with teal earbuds, and this part here is painted silver. The back is also printed silver, and the connector looks like a heart shape. We have this teal tape measure with details that are printed on. Looking closely, you can see that this is made of ribbon, and looks like the ends are cinched so they do not easily unravel. If measured on a human-sized ruler, this is just a little under 5.5 inches. In the same bag, we have this teal silicone mat with cloud and star prints, which confirms that we have a duplicate scale. Let's place the mat, and let's see that baby. Oh, here is baby number 1. It comes with this diaper that I almost threw away. Make sure that you check those bags before you throw them in the trash. Let's have the baby wear the diaper. Our first baby has fair complexion and red hair. And I mentioned this in our previous video, but I like the details on Series 2 babies. The babies are painted nicely. The mold, oh my gosh, the mold of the face. The baby looks really cute. The only thing that I don't like is the seam on the head, which appears to be present in all of the babies. This baby also came with a scale, and it may not be that noticeable because the hair is black, but you can tell that there's a seam. This baby is one of the rare twins, and you can see that there's a seam on the head. And this brown-haired baby, which came with the high chair. And yep, it also has a seam on the head. Other than the seam, I am not complaining because this baby is so cute and the scale is working. Here's our doll holding the baby. What I like the most about mini babies is they're the perfect size for our Barbies. The tape measure may be a good prop for like a sewing background, but the stethoscope? Not so much. Cause it's too small, I wish it were a little bigger than this. The scale is also a good size for her, so if we think about making a pediatrician's clinic, we can probably use that. This is capsule 2, and you hear that? This is one of the quiet capsules, so let's find out if this has a super rare twin. Oh, cutter. Let's use this. I really wanted to hear the tearing sounds when we open these capsules, but they're killing my nails, so we'll do it the easy way. Let's see if this is a super rare. What do we have? I'll start with this. So obviously we have our collector's guide. I just realized we already have each kind of our finds. We have 2 of the high chair babies, 3 of the scale ones, 1 of the pool, 1 of the cribs, and 1 of the super rare twins. And I'm not cheating, but I can tell that these are heavy. We are yet to find out if these are the twins. So we have three capsules. And from the shape of it, I think we have the pool. But which pool is this? I can see teal color, which means... we found the purple pool. Well, purple and teal. This is the umbrella, most likely. Yep, it's the umbrella. And I think we also have the other accessories. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Okay, let's make sure there's nothing else in here. In this one, we have... is this a hat? Yep, that's a hat. This is a purple hat with molded on details. This is made of a soft, rubbery, kind of silicone-like material. We also have this teal diaper. The prints are similar to that of the mat that came with the scale. This is made of soft material, and this opens with... hang on. Velcro. And I didn't notice this earlier. Oh my gosh, the goggles. Goggles are so cute. Here's a close-up of the goggles. It's a band that continues all the way around. This is purple and is the same material as the hat. Looking closely, the lenses are painted blue. And here's what the back looks like. This is so detailed, you could even see the notches here. In that same bag, we also have this umbrella. So the stem is articulated. You can bend it like so. And you just pop in the umbrella attachment. You should hear it pop. And you can turn it in either direction. This only attaches one way, so we need to make sure that this is aligned. There's a pop. In case yours comes off like what mine did, you'll just have to press it down like so. So cute. And let's see what our baby looks like. Here's the baby. Oh, I was expecting that we would be getting a brunette baby. You know, a tan baby with a brown skin, but this looks like a fair-skinned baby with black hair. Let's have the baby wear the diaper first. Done. And the goggles. Alright, the goggles are a tight fit, so you're going to have to squeeze your baby's head. And don't worry, it's not gonna hurt. Here is our baby with the goggles. And let's have him put on the hat. And our baby is ready for swimming. Earlier I thought the hat is not supposed to go over the strap of the goggles like so, but I think it's meant to look like that. Here's baby 2 with our doll in our outside scene. And with the other pool baby from our previous video, they look like they're summer ready. Let's take a look at capsule number 3. I was shaking capsule 2 earlier and I didn't hear anything. I'm also not hearing anything here. But we are yet to find out if this is another rare. I really hope it is. Okay, here is what we have. Oh my gosh. Alright. It's another pull. We have 3 bags and our collector's guide. Okay, this is another pull, but I'm hoping that this is not... oh. Is this a double? Oh no! It's not a double! Okay, I got excited. This is a second bag. And since it's a different color, I can tell that we are getting different accessories this time. I'll start with this. So we have this umbrella, the stem is pink, and the umbrella itself is purple with teal. It's also articulated like the others. Let's attach. And let's connect to the pool. Done. In that same bag, we have this pink diaper. The pattern is similar to that of the mat that came with our teal scale. And like the others, this also closes with Velcro. We also have this cute little hat. I think this is a shark. Yep, there's a shark fin, so that's a shark. We have printed on details like the beady black eyes and sharp teeth. And best of all is this pink floaty. It also has bubble and shark design. The top is clear plastic and the underside is pink. It appears to have some air in it. You cannot add more air, so sideways it looks flat like this. And let's take a look at the baby. And our baby is blonde. Okay, let's have the baby wear the diaper. It's so hard working with tiny details like this, but I don't want to complain much because it's worth it. Here's our baby with the diaper, and let's put the baby in our floating donut. I don't know what this is called. What do you call this thing? A floater? Oh my gosh! Oh, it's so adorable. And lastly, the hat. I like how the hat fits a baby's head. It's not so snug, but it doesn't fall off either. Oh my gosh, this is probably the cutest pool baby ever. Let's put our baby in the pool. And with the other pool babies, it's a pool party. And us finding 2 of these pool babies means we've already completed that side of the collection. And I absolutely love all of our pool babies, but I think this one is my favorite. Here's our 4th capsule and... Okay, I am not hearing anything. Per our theory, silent capsules might be the super rare. I want to save this one for last. So let's set it down here and let's open this one instead. Okay, this one is very noisy, so I'm pretty sure it's not a super rare. And in this capsule, we have... Oh, it's a pool. Yep, I feel a pool in here. But which one is this? I'm guessing it's the teal... Okay, yeah. Teal-rimmed pool. In the second bag, we have the umbrella and all that stuff. I'm not complaining about this double because I like the goggles. And the hat. And of course, the baby. I absolutely appreciate that a lot of details came into Series 1 babies versus Series 1. Because with Series 2 babies, I don't know, I just feel like there's more detail in everything. Especially these printed diapers. And of course, the face mold. And since we already have a baby wearing the hat all the way and the goggles, I'm going to leave it like this. So we have variation. High five. Let's assemble the umbrella. So our baby can relax in the pool. Here's our last capsule and I am not going to jinx it. Okay, I'm seeing 4 bags. Haven't touched it yet. I'm really nervous about what this is going to be. Here's our collector's guide. 4 bags. What is this? Squishy. Oh my god, it's squishy. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Oh, I'm nervous. Let's open the smaller bag first. I just got our second super rare. Okay, I'm so excited. Alright, we are seeing a blue seat, blue wheel. Okay, let's pour this here on the table. Alright, let's do that again. So we have 2 seats. It's identical to the seats on the first super rare we found, only this is blue. Or teal. We have 4 blue wheels with molded on hearts. This part which goes on the underside of our stroller. By the way, in the first one we opened, we have these pieces for the stroller. What I like about this is it's not flat white. It looks like it has a pearlescent finish. We also have a pair of twin outfits. These are matching. The first one, I think this is for a boy. This is a white jumpsuit. The straps are made with white ribbon. And the undershirt looks like a pink gingham print. There's a cute little teal bow in front, and the back closes with Velcro. What I like the most about this outfit is even though this is so tiny, the ends are actually finished. The baby girl outfit is a pink gingham dress. There's a blue belt here. Actually, it's teal. Teal belt with a teal ribbon in front. The back also closes with Velcro. The edges of the top part of the outfit are finished, but the skirt is not. But I don't think this is going to fray. And lastly, these two hats. These are so cute. The details are molded on. This is for the baby girl and this is for the baby boy. And let's assemble our stroller. The pieces look a little bent from having been in the packaging for a while, so we'll just have to bend it in place. And the stroller is ready for the babies. It still looks a little misshapen, but I'm hoping that the plastic will remember its original form. Let's set it down. And let's see what our babies look like. Here's baby number 1. This looks like our pool baby. Yep, they look alike. And since we have boy-girl twins, let's see if our second baby looks different. Or maybe it's the same. It's the same! Actually, they look identical. Which means it wouldn't matter what outfit we put them in. Oh, there's an underwear ribbon. I like outfits with ribbon straps like this because these help in ensuring that the outfit does not ride up. You know, like in skirts. Oh, so adorable. And of course, the hat. Let's put our baby in the stroller. Here you go. And baby number 2. Whew, that took a while. And the finishing touch. Now, if you're having a hard time putting the baby in the stroller, here's what I did. I put in the bent leg first, and then, oh, let's try that again. Put the bent leg first, you hold it in place, and you squeeze the second leg in. There you go. And here are our twins, second set of super rare twins in their stroller. Here's our first twin, and here is the second. Looking at it now, it looks like both of them have bent frames, but you know what? That's okay. Because we just scored our second super rare. We have successfully found 9 out of 15 collectibles, with our best find being the twins, followed closely by our baby shark. Mini Baby Series 2 has got to be the best collection yet. From the mold, the very detailed face paint, and down to the accessories these come with, we are absolutely excited for Series 3. Thank you for joining us in part 2 of Mini Baby Series 2 unboxing and finding our second super rare set of twins. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Toys Collectibles and give us a like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. We'll see you next time.